First, we will watch this clip of Nolan Arenado hitting a grand slam home run in regular speed as it happened on TV.
And Nolan lifts it to deep left field, way back. Get on out of here! Grand slam, Nolan Arenado! And the Rockies have taken the lead.
As you can see here, he was able to put a lot of force into the ball, making it so it could be driven very far. But now let's see how. As he lifts his leg, he's generating power, or potential energy. By shifting all of his weight onto his back foot, he's creating energy, which will allow him to drive off his back foot, turning it into a swing, which will then create power, allowing the ball to be driven. Next comes the step. As he shifts his weight onto his front foot, he creates tension between his hips and his hands. This allows for there to be elastic energy, such as a rubber band. This is still potential energy, and it is yet to be converted into kinetic energy. Now is when it begins being converted into kinetic energy. As he begins unwinding his hips, he starts turning that energy into kinetic energy. That energy is then slingshotted into his arms, which is then slingshotted into the bat. This is a series of kinetic energy being converted from potential energy into kinetic energy. As you may notice, he hits the ball pretty far up the bat. This is because the farther up the bat the ball is hit, the further the ball will go. This is because the bat has to be traveling at the same speed as the hands, which means the end of the bat has to be traveling faster than the beginning of the bat in order for it to be continuing a motion at the same rate. After the ball is hit, a lot of the energy dissipates, going into the ball, turning into sound energy, and turning into vibrations between the bat and the ball. The ball gets most of the energy. Despite that this might be what we are learning about, I noticed that after he hits the ball, his hands are starting to force the bat to decelerate. This is included in what we are doing right now in science. Right now he's loading up. He's putting all the weight on his back foot. Now he's transferring that weight to his front foot. Now he's creating energy between his hands and his hips. Now he's hitting the ball. Now he's decelerating. Now he's watching the ball go over the fence.
Thank you for watching. I apologize for the voice. It is to match the video speed with the speed of my talking. Otherwise, the video would be playing much faster than the talking, and it wouldn't be able to overlap.